Guys, YouTube never fails to amaze me. Like right now, I don't even know if I'm to cry or to laugh because this is not funny. You all won't believe what is currently happening or what has recently happened to me. Like when it comes to my earning area. And towards the ending of this video, I'm going to be telling you some strategies, that is just about 2 or 3 tips that can actually help you get monetized faster. But before we even get to that, let me tell you the recent thing I just discovered. Like, if you think you know YouTube finish, you must be joking. The minute you feel, oh, I know this thing, next minute YouTube will start shocking you. So I got a shocking analytics on my YouTube studio, that is from my video earning. I don't know if maybe it might have changed, because if you're monetized on YouTube, a particular CPM and RPM YouTube drop on your video. If that video stop performing well, like it will just reduce. I don't know if you've noticed it. If you're monetized and you've been noticing it, drop it in the comment section so that it will not be like I'm alone on this, because obviously and definitely I cannot be alone. So what happened is that I did 2 different videos. This is the first video here. Never do these things. That is things that can actually get you banned here on YouTube. And I did another video. Where is even that video? This one that says do this now to get much more views. And now I'm going to be showing you guys the revenue of these 2 videos. Like I'm seriously pissed off. Like, YouTube is going to shock you in a way that you will not understand, and in a way that you cannot even imagine. So this first video here, as you can see from the screen, is 15 minutes 10 seconds, right? And this second one is 9 minutes 27 seconds. Now let me go ahead to show you guys how much this first video here earned me before I show you this second video, how much I actually made from that video. So this video of 15 minutes long, as you can see, the average view duration is doing perfectly fine. Like, when I mean 14 whole minutes that people are actually watching. Before it was even 5 minutes, but it's going up and it's coming down. Now let me show you guys with the revenue of these videos. Now look at the revenue of this video. Imagine for revenue for every 1,000 views. Can you imagine? $1.78. Like, who does YouTube? And okay, they've only paid for 650 views, and this is what they pay, $1.16. Like, this is crazy. This is really crazy. So I think you all can see how much advertisers are paying. They're paying $5.99. Even videos on my channel that advertisers are paying like $4, I'm seeing $3 as my RPM. But what I don't understand is this. Just calm down and relax. Let's go over to that other video. This video has gotten 1.5k views, and as you can see, the average view duration, not all that poor for a 9 minute video. It was 3 minutes before, but it just keep going up and coming down. And you all can see the impression click-through rate. So now let's go ahead and click on it for you guys to see how much I've made from this particular video. Let's go to the revenue aspect, and from the revenue you can see that YouTube has paid me $5.05 from how many views? Imagine YouTube has paid me $5 for just 1.3k view. Now look at how much I earned per every 1k views. It's actually dropped though. Like, I was meant to film this video yesterday and post it yesterday, but I'm surprised last night the revenue dropped. The revenue initially was $4.51, like almost $5. Like, when I saw it, I was screaming. Cause on this YouTube street, I think I used to think that the longer your video, the higher money you make. Cause that my video that I did about how much YouTube paid me in 3 months. You all know that that video is actually very long. That video was almost, I think, 20 minutes plus, I be 21 minutes. That video, per 1,000 view for that video, I am earning like $7, I be $6 something. But now what is shocking me is that other video is 15 minutes. That is the one I just showed you guys. That is 15 minutes 10 seconds. Imagine what I'm earning for 1,000 view. Though I'm still going through the settings to know if maybe the mistake actually came from my own end, or that is just how YouTube is. So now, why this thing is actually paining me is this other video that have earned me this amount of money was just a random video that I just, under 30 minutes, I just picked up my phone and I did the video. just straight ahead. But to see that other video took me research, because you all know that I'll not just come up to the screen and say anything. I'll have to get my facts right, so that I'll not come and be giving you guys false information, or maybe I'll not be the reason why you go and fix one setting in your channel and you will not have view. So what am I trying to say? You see this statement that the longer your video, the higher money you make. Right now, this moment, that statement, in fact, I'm trying to like get it off my mind, because what I've seen right now is really really surprising me. Though this is not the first one, Sha. I think I have 10 minutes video also that is around $5. But that video, yes, I know that I put in much more work, but this particular video I didn't really do any much work. Why is it paying me? That video that I talked about getting banned on this YouTube, that video took me time, like, and that video is long and people watched it for long, but I don't know why the revenue is this low. Though I'm still making my research on it. I don't know if maybe when I finally gotten the whole information, I don't know if you all will be interested, or if you want me to come and share it, because from one of my research, I discovered that it was because of wrong ads placement. I don't know, Sha. I'm still trying to, but I just decided to come and share this update with you. So if you're posting videos like me, you're feeling like the longer the video, the higher money you make. Bro, your 7 minutes video can earn you money. I have a 7 minutes video on my channel that is currently 5K views. That video has earned me close to $20 20 to $25. So if it is 6 minute video that you can do it. If it is 7 minutes, do it. Don't be like me, oh. Don't be like me, because right now I'm shocked. Now back to what I said, that I was going to be telling you guys, that tips for you to actually get monetized faster here on YouTube. Just make sure you bring out valuable content, and for you to get monetized, you need that 4,000 watch hours, and you need 1,000 subscribers. 1K subscribers is easy. Maybe if you've gotten that your 4,000 watch hour and you're looking for a way to get your 1K subscriber, post short. Go and watch my video on how to post shorts. Just post like 5-10 shorts, you get that 1K subs faster. But for that watch hour, you have to live stream, do live streaming. I come across one small YouTuber, her live stream, she live streamed for like 3 to 4 hours. That girl tried though, and she posted the screenshot. I was surprised. From that live stream, she got 75 watch hours. I could remember when I was posting. In fact, I have a new channel from one of my video that have 2K views. I was not even able to make up to 60 watch hour from that video, and this girl just live streamed for 4 hours. She has only 1,000 subscribers. Yes, she live streamed for 4 hours and she got this amount of watch hour. So this is a sign, and it was not even restream. So don't say it's restream. Restream has its own. If you can restream to get your 4,000 watch hour faster, good and fine, do it. So what I'm trying to say, the normal approach or the normal way, she actually used live streaming, and that watch hour I saw is massive. So if you can be doing it like twice in a week, or like 4 times in a week. I could remember I joined one big creator live when I was still looking for watch hour back then. He was the one that actually motivated us. Is it VDIQ or this other man? He said when them we actually starting up on YouTube here, what they use to monetize most of their channel is by doing live stream. So once in a while, try to live stream. And secondly, when you finish live streaming, post the video. Don't go and be hiding it. All right, guys, I don't want this video to be too long. Let me pause here and see how much I'm going to make from this particular video, because YouTube, you all will not understand. So if you watch to this extent and you've not yet liked, you've not yet subscribed, please do well to like this video, subscribe and share it, so that a lot of new monetized YouTubers will understand. Okay, that is not by long video. It's not by long video, because I'm still surprised. This thing is still shocking me. All right, guys, bye, and I'll see you in my next video.